Hello, good morning, happy Wednesday. I just sent off a tweet that has the an animation from yesterday's visualization, which thankfully actually formatted all right on Twitter. I was really worried because like the preview that Twitter gave me for that video was really bad. Um, but anyway, sorry. That was why it was taking me so long. Wow, it takes me way too long to write my tweets. I'm sorry. Like a embarrassingly long time because I yeah. But hello, good morning. I'm still keeping track of my chat on my iPad, but I think I've figured out how to get the links from my iPad over to my desktop, um, because I think I can just open it in my Chrome, and then I think it lets me grab it from my, whoa, okay, that's not, okay, ooh, nope, that's not what I was expecting. So that's not how that works. Okay, I'll keep figuring this out. Hello to Jose Lutz. Hello again. It is day 2 of our chill co-working with a Pomodoro timer. Mainly because I woke up and it was not a good idea to be on Twitter. Yes, I remember yesterday night I went to Twitter to like DM someone, um, and then I was like there for like this was around I guess I think probably 9 p.m. Pacific to like midnight. Yeah, like right I think around like 8:30 or so Pacific, so like 11:30 Eastern, and I like went on Twitter. Uh, yeah, to DM a friend, and then I was on there for like 15 more minutes being like, oh my God, the results are so close. Oh my God, but I don't really have context because I've been like avoiding the news. Um, and so it was very anxiety inducing. Send to feature in Chrome. But then is that a send to feature like that because I need to send it across devices. Yay to Jose saying I love co-working streams. Uh, William says my Twitter is depressingly empty, but maybe I muted too many words, hashtags. Yeah, that is something that I haven't come to just yet. Like I haven't um yeah, I haven't started muting words yet. I've like muted like conversations that I found problematic, but I haven't muted like hashtags and words yet. Uh, yeah, so because of that, I figured that it'd be fun to do another chill co-working Pomodoro thing. I don't think I'm gonna go as long as yesterday because 7 hours was ridiculous. Um, but hopefully a good amount of time until so that I can get as much done as I can on the visualization I started yesterday. And I was also thinking about like the format of the stream going forward. And I think what I might end up doing is um I think I'm gonna go back to my pre-October schedule of streaming in the afternoon. But I think what I'm gonna do is turn it into like I think I'm gonna keep I really enjoy this like chill co-working format. I think it's less stressful for me because I think when I'm doing like streams where I'm like constantly trying to explain my thought process and everything, it gets kind of exhausting after a bit. Um, but I really enjoyed yesterday where we were just like, yeah, like there was a Pomodoro timer that sometimes I wasn't very good at sticking to. And then I think what might be fun is we just like chill co-work, and then every time the Pomodoro timer goes off, then like I can talk about what I was doing, like why I was doing um like I guess I can kind of go through some of the like thought process that led to like any like decisions in my code, etc. And then you can like if you have any questions about the code, you can ask me. But then we can also just like chat in the chat. Um, but I by no means do I want it to be like because we're doing a Pomodoro timer, like we can't talk during the Pomodoro, whatever that thing is called. Yeah. But I think in that new format, I think I'm leaning towards somewhere between starting somewhere between 1 to 2, just to give I know people in Europe like can join a little bit earlier than 11 p.m. Not that 10 p.m. is that much better, but I do need to have lunch. So somewhere between like 1 to 1:30, I think is what I'm gonna do my new starting time. Still Wednesday and Friday. Um, and then we'll just like chill co-work for as long as we want. And so that's what I'm thinking for this new format. Um, and Cotswagon says, mute the word "the" for the ideal Twitter experience. Hello, Alice. Welcome back in. Super happy about you joining every single time. So yeah, today, ooh, my hair is very frizzy. Ooh, the back of my hair is very frizzy. Sometimes, sometimes the things that you see on camera. Oh, hello, near this. I don't know if I'm gonna eat lunch on stream again. I don't know. That was probably, ooh, yeah, I don't think so. But that's why I think a afternoon stream going forward would be good. Because then you don't have to just watch me eat. Because this is not a mukbang channel. And then we can just get some afternoon work done. Oh, hello! Howdy to I'm Mechanic. Thanks for joining back in. Oh, oh wow. No, I don't know Alex Stamos. And so Alex Stamos' team has been chasing election issues and documenting them with a timeline on their website and 2 videos a day. Alex Stamos. Stay in the Tree says, I feel like Twitter is really just about being very active about who you follow and unfollow, selecting the "this doesn't interest me" option when it recommends a bad tweet to you. Yeah, I'm not as vigilant about like my Twitter feed. The way that I deal with my Twitter feed is I just don't look at it too much. um, Actually, I think I should switch over to code. So this is what I'm seeing. Alex Stamos. Ah. Oh. Wait, where can I go for, is it here? Hmm. Is that what you mean? Ooh, yeah, EIP partnership. We can call it the tomato timer. That's fine. Hello, Ian. I hope you're. Oh, I don't know what time you finished your stream last night because you were going really late. But yeah, what time did you finish your stream last night, Ian? And then you're up. Well, I guess it's afternoon for you. I was like, oh, you're up already. Oh, oh, this is very interesting. I don't know why it's formatted like this on my computer. Okay, very worth looking at. So my goal today, though, is, oh. So my goal today, let me actually write that down. So my coding goals today is, this is where, as far as I got. And so I want to, whoa, that was weird. And then I think, let's see. Okay, so I want to annotate the axes. Oh, hello. Hi, Carrots and Pizza says, greetings from Germany. Oh, I have so many people from Germany joining in to this stream. Marge says, TBH, I hate the non-chrono feed. And if Twitter ever remove it, they'll be dead to me. Just like IG and FB. Yeah, I also don't really look at my Instagram and Facebook feed, or I think Instagram I scroll a little bit. Mostly I like looking at friends like stories. But it like really bothers me the algorithmic way they're doing the feed in Instagram. Um, so yeah, I agree with you, Nalaj. Um, Yuna says if Sharpies are good enough for the president, they're good to cast. Oh, that's so good. Oh my God. Holy crap. Ian says they streamed 5.5 hours. No. See, I streamed 7 hours yesterday. That was crazy. Um, it was actually really fun. I don't think I was that tired afterwards. I think precisely because it was a chill co-working session. Um, so that's good. Yeah, I think 5.5 hours that late into the night though is I think what was like wow. Yeah. Oh, Rosie Posey, hello. Welcome into the chat. And thank you so much. I think this is the first time I've seen you in our chat. Um, yeah, Sandra Chase, I do agree with that sentiment that non-chronological feed and like algorithm-based feed has contributed to polarization. I'm not like I'm not, qualified to speak in that area at all, but that is what I've observed also. Um, yeah, Rosie Pussy, I agree. Engaging content is like very traumatized. This is why I don't look at my feed all that often. Um, but that also means that I'm not as up to date on what like people are working on. Oh, oh no. Gilliam says non-chrono feeds caused him to miss too many tweets by close friends and push too many unrelated tweets I didn't care about. Yeah, true, Rosie Posey. Okay, let's start the Pomodoro timer. And then I'll see you in 25 minutes. Feel free to keep chatting with each other. And I guess I'll chat. I'm like still trying to figure out the balance of like, I like what's going on in chat. But then I tend to distract myself and go on long tangents, and that's very much not the point of the Pomodoro. The tomato timer. That's very much the opposite of what the tomato timer is intended for. Um, Although these little animations are so cute. Um, I'm a little bit unhappy with this ad here, but hey, if it makes them money. Okay, let's start the tomato timer. Cute. See you in 25. Gilliam, I can't believe that you like caught up to 7 hours. Thank you for going through all of that. Carrots and pizza. Programs your viz for you based on what you eat from your bowl. Except I took a peek at the chat, but not all of it. So, okay. Trying to figure out arrowhead. This arrowhead marker thing has always eluded me. I'm just like, I don't understand. So today is like attempt number 5 or something. And well, not that I really tried that often to figure out how to write or an arrowhead definition, but today is attempt, I don't know. I think I tried years ago and then I was like, I don't wrap my mind around this, and then I stopped trying. So I think I now have enough context knowledge to understand it. So I'm gonna try it again today. So I need a marker and a path. Okay, so let's do this. Working in an observable is an interesting thing because like I can write HTML, but then I can also write JavaScript. And it's like almost like writing Vue or React, but not really. So it's an interesting experience. Let's do it this way. I'm gonna make a def. I'm gonna create the marker because I don't want to have to do this part with D3. It would take too many lines. Do I need all of this? No, there is a default. Alright, so I don't think what can I get away with? Alright. Alright, I feel like I can get away with just giving the view box. Let me try not even bothering with the view box. Alright, so the arrow I want to draw is just a simple like that, and then I want the tip of the arrow to be 0, 0, I think. Yeah, so then the 2 lines coming out, yeah, will go down like that. So maybe 1, okay. So I'm gonna make a variable for the arrow size. Make it 3. Move to 0, 0, then draw a line to -3, 3? And then move back to 0, 0, line to the other side, so arrow size, arrow size. All right, let's see if this actually works, and then I'm gonna give the marker to fill marker start. Ooh, marker start and marker end. So let's see. Okay, so within here, actually I'm gonna do. Okay, so here I'm gonna make this y-axis into a group. And within that group, I'll have two lines. Line going up, and then I'll have another line going down. Sure, I'll do that for now. Yeah. Say marker start. Ooh, wow, you can do marker mid and marker end. That's cool. Marker start. Okay, let's use marker start. Did that work? Did that work? Did that? Nope. Nope. Did not work. Oh. Why didn't you work? Is it because I need to give you a view box? So then it would be -30. Ooh, okay. Hello. Ooh, more data is always very welcome. Let's see. Catching up. Like a rosy puppy. Tried doing Pomodoro before and then ended up on break way too long. I was saying yesterday that I don't usually do Pomodoro because I like have a like I just some like my when I get into the flow, like it goes way longer than a Pomodoro. Like it's hard for me to get into flow, but then once I get into flow, then I'm there for a long time. So Pomodoro doesn't actually make too much sense for me, but I think it's really nice for like co-working streams because then you can have expectations of like when like there's more chat and when there's more like working. Um, oh yeah, Notion is I don't know too much about it, but I'm like I know there's like a lot of functionality and so far I'm only using the to-do part of it. But I think it's supposed to be really good for like documentation and collaboration, I think. Oh, hello, Restraint T. Wonder why you're wary of note-taking apps. Hmm. Williams is their about page looks like something I would write with lots and lots of context. Oh, I've never heard of Agenda as a notes app. Personal database solutions. Huh, interesting. Ooh, hello near this says Twitter post story on the failure of USPS to deliver mail ballots across the USA. Not sure how to add that to the spreadsheet. Yeah, so this particular one, that is an interesting story, but this particular visualization is very much about, yeah, election day issues and also election day issues of like specific counties. Um, just because like that's how I ended up doing the visualization. But yeah, that is definitely also a really good one to keep track of. Yeah, it's election day in person. Thank you, Gillian. Um, Helen, you hear this? You managed 5 hours. This is absolutely amazing. Um, uh, even just going 5 hours. Thank you, thank you for watching it. So much of it. I hope you put me on 2x speed because that's I put myself. If I was to watch myself, I would put myself on 2x speed. Yeah, I just saw that story too about the USPS ignoring a court order. Very worrisome. Good, good. I'm glad you sped up the VOD. Gilliam, I hope it was only 3.5. Um, but even then, that's quite a long time. Yeah, yeah. So restraint D, I think what I'm learning about the voting system is exactly how fragile it is. I think that's the biggest takeaway I've had. Oh, I didn't know that about France. Yes, Rick Nightcrawler, if you want to contribute some more time, I would super appreciate some more data filling. Oh, why? What makes you say that, Restraint B, about voting machines scaring people? I've actually only ever voted by mail, like by absentee, so I actually don't know what voting machines, like interacting with voting machines, are like. If it's anything like interacting with, like, I don't know, ATMs or something, actually, ATMs are not bad. But sometimes I get so annoyed about touch screens. Sometimes they don't register my touch. Ooh, did not catch up on the chat. I'll catch up on the chat in the next Pomodoro break. Pomodoro break. No, no, there's no deadline with Nightcrawler. Or at least the deadline is when I finish this visualization. But then I was gonna also go in and see if like there was any that I missed or anything like that. But there's no deadline. I actually don't even know how I was gonna go in and see what I missed. Um, yeah, there's no deadline. At least not observed right now. And if there is, then I'll tweet about it. Okay, so I put in the gradient to be like Republican margin and Democrat margin, and then now I'm putting in arrowheads to see say median income. Okay. Super grateful for your adding data, Rick Nightcrawler. Oh, I find the ranking system for elections very interesting. Ah, that's an interesting one, seeing the trees. But the machines that Travis County Clerk made. Oh, Vox? I know you said that it's actually New York Times, but Vox has had some really great like videos around the election. Super appreciate that. Well, markers still confuse me. At least this particular example still confuses me. So if I'm reading this right, it is drawing a path where the arrow it's basically a triangle and it's like pointing to the right, and then we're saying, okay, and we're saying the middle of that triangle is where the end of the line should be, and the view box is from 0, 0 to 10, 10. But then it has an orientation of auto start reverse. I'm gonna. Oh, hello, DT. Welcome in. And yep. Okay. So I'm gonna take attempt number 3 or so on this arrowhead. This is like taking me longer than it should, honestly. Okay, so I'm just gonna try hard coding it. So I have a view box of 0, 0 to 10, 10. And I think what I'm gonna do is have the arrowhead end at 0, y, and 5, reference x5. The place is so cold right now. Oh man. I'm like starting to wear sweaters, but even then, it's like cold. Okay. And then so the polyline should go from, let's say 2.5 maybe? No, let's just say 2. So 2, the x is 2, and then let's have it go down. Let's have it go down 10 for now. 210. Let's say that. And then have that go to 5, 0, 2, 10, 5, 0. And another one, that one will be 8, 10. And then let's see what happens. That is not even showing up. I am so confused by you. Let's try that as a path. God, I don't know. Why are you so tiny? Is it because I have to specify the marker width and marker height? Defaults to 3. Defaults to 3. Okay, is it because of marker width and marker height? Okay, let's give this a try. Let's say 6. We're getting somewhere. I don't know why. Not fully understanding why. Ooh, it's getting somewhere. Why do you make no sense? I don't know. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. All right. Do I like that I hard-coded this? No. Do I have much fucks left to give? No. Okay. Um, I don't understand. um, I don't understand. I don't. Maybe this is one of those things where I need to. Yeah, I think this is because I did not read things through. It's pretty sure it's because I did not read things through. That's my own fault. All right, that looks pretty cute. I'll take that. I need to stop nitpicking. Okay, let me stop nitpicking right there. Okay, so I need another one going down. I kind of want it to be like. Let's not do that. There's something called shape rendering? Crisp edges. Shape rendering, crisp edges. I think I have to read it. Shape rendering. Was that it? Nope, that's not it. Crisp edges. SVG is no, it is shape rendering. Oh no, I just can't put it on a group. That's right. I have to put it on the individual lines for reasons I don't really know why. Okay, so wait. Okay, that's not. Why'd you do that? Why aren't you working? Oh, that's right. Okay, this is down. Oh. Oh. The orientation. What? Should I say orient auto? I'm getting more and more confused. That's definitely not what I was going for. What is going on? I have no idea. Why are you doing this? Hello! So this is what we have so far. as to what restraint D is saying. SGML. Why does the fact that structure and XML attributes always makes me wonder why they haven't ported SVG to JSON? Is that just because XML it's like a flat, like the attributes are flat? Oh, I see. HTML was a precursor to XML. Good luck, Gilliam. Need a charging cable. Oh, interesting. JSON is not comparatively new versus XML, but just with hype. Interesting. France's voting day is a weekend. That's great to Yeah, I actually did not know that government departments could ignore a court order. This shows how much I know. Oh yeah, I did read that voting machines, especially the older ones, are very easy to hack, which is very scary. Yeah, ProPublica has a data set of the voting machines, and actually, so this I think maybe they gathered it from the Eves data set that we've been working with a lot. But I took a look at it, and it was kind of hard to determine, like, because it was all kind of like the model and make, and so it was hard for me to determine what I can do with that data set because I, yeah, don't know anything about voting machines, but I think the implication was that, or it was implying that the older the machine, yeah, it's easier that to hack. Um, hmm, hmm. So what I've been trying to do is make my own arrowheads because I like using them a lot for annotations, but as you can see, they're not turning out as I would like. Been struggling with markers for the last 25 minutes, and I knew it's 25 minutes because it's been using the Pomodoro timer. So, um, this is how annotations always take up 80% of the time. Literally get like the visualization part done in like 20% of the time, and then the annotation takes up like 80% of the time. And I'm also not happy with the color choices of uh my circles right now, so I have to fix that later. Right now I'm gonna spend more time figuring out those arrowheads. Yep. Mm. So yes, usually I would have just put it in Illustrator because it makes it so much easier to just do it in Illustrator. But because I wanted to have this be um, a uh, interactive instead of a static chart. I need like I need to figure this out in SVG so that this interaction can work. Or else, usually I just do it in Illustrator. All of those like nice arrowheads are from Illustrator that I've been using because I avoid making arrows in SVG because I honestly am so confused by them. Okay, so see, this is what we expect, but then this is not what we expect. And the orientation. So I feel like I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand why if I do auto orientation, this is what it looks like. So why? Why don't you automatically? Why don't you automatically rotate relative to? Also, why aren't you drawing crisp edges? I have so many questions. Oh my God. I should ask Sarah. She would definitely know. um, this is called observable. Yes. Hi, nerdy curious. Welcome into the stream. Yeah, I'm with Gilliam. Oh, why? Why? SVG marker. Oh, why? Okay, all right. Calm down. Oh, you know. Ah. Okay, calm down, calm down. You can do this. Okay, let's just figure out. This is probably why they were going this way. Okay, I'm gonna try something. All right, start at 0, 0. Then go to the center. So that's we're almost there. We're almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Do I know why this is happening? I have no idea, but we're almost there. Why? All right, so we just need to change the reference. Oh, thank you so much for sharing, Rachel. I'm like in that place of code that's like, I don't know why this is happening. Which I guess is like a really great reminder that even after all of these years of coding, there will always be roadblocks and challenges, which is great because it means that I'll never be complacent. Or hopefully I'll never be complacent. But it's just really frustrating when I'm going through it. Um, oh, thank you. I like the almost there bits. Yeah, so Observable is very similar to Jupyter Notebooks, but online and more for data visualization and front-end development. Um, ooh, Rosie Posey, I feel like, yeah, I think we'll be able to go like pretty smoothly from R to D3. I know Naughty has some writing blog posts on how she went from data scientist to data viz, and she uses R a lot. And honestly, I think having an R background is like really, really good for data viz. Having like a data science background would be really good for data viz. I just stated something obvious. Okay, we got this. I'm almost there. Just need to figure out what the reference should be. 10, 5. So basically, I just recreated this code. But for some reason, okay, we'll try both things. We'll figure this out. Honestly, this is pretty accurate of like how I usually go about working. I'm just like, don't know why. Yes! High five stream! High five stream! Yes! That arrowhead took me 35 minutes? Almost 40 minutes. Yep. Sometimes. Sometimes. Some things in a speed. Okay, yeah. Sometimes. Do I understand why it's like that? No. But I guess it worked. Will I remember this for the future? No. I'm probably going to go through this struggle all over again. And then hopefully when I go through that struggle, I'll remember I did it here and then like either look at this code and be like, I still don't understand, or come back to the stream and be like, I still don't understand. Or maybe future me will be smart smart, and like actually read blog posts and documentation. That probably is not likely. Future me probably will not be. Yeah, it's probably not likely. Um, yeah. Anyways, then what I wanted to do. Yep. All right. Let's add some text in. And then that text will say median US house income. Where is it? Oh, it's up there. Okay. Median income. Okay, so then down here, let's go get that. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, side note, tangent. We started watching The Queen's Gambit yesterday. We watched like 2 episodes, and honestly, I want to keep watching. But it is so good. I just want to keep watching. Yeah, I don't know if anybody's watched The Queen's Gambit so far, but it is. I'm very much looking forward to watching it tonight too. It is very interesting. That's really large. Okay, maybe not that large. Better. Cool. All right. I'm going to draw one more line across. That's the median line. Hmm. Thank you, Helen, hear this. Um, I don't know what the auto start reverse is. I like um yeah, I don't think it really explains what auto start reverse means. SVG orient auto start reverse. I don't, it doesn't, auto start reverse. There's auto and there's auto start reverse. What does it mean? I I don't know. Honestly, it's fine. It's fine. Things are fine. Things turn out okay. Ooh, let me see. A pretty database. Thanks, Gillian. Future me will definitely be smarter. Oh no. It's the joy about getting wiser. What's Jake and Surma? I've never heard of that. Pretty database. I'm always down for pretty database. Let's see. What is it? Oh no. Okay, still trying to navigate this whole. Ooh. Wait, it says that the tweet is not available to me. Wait, hold on. Is it? Wait. Okay, hold on. It says. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Hold on. Oh yeah, we looked at it yesterday too. Let's see. Ooh, can I do this? It seems like, wait, can I airdrop into open in Chrome? And then can I say like, how do I? Whoa! Look at this! It just airdropped. Whoa! I just airdropped a link from my iPad Twitch app over to Chrome. So this is what? Let's see. This is what Hello Near This just showed. Yeah, we looked at this visualization yesterday too from Kareem. Kareem? Jetpack.ai. Oh. Yeah, Ian and EJ were doing a lot of this yesterday in their stream too. Yeah, I've been streaming extra. Honestly, I think this is my coping mechanism for these 2 days. Oh. Yeah, wait, hold on. So, let me show you. Yes, it is a median income. So I just actually changed this from being, actually, I don't know how I feel about this. So this bottom here is 0. Whereas previously I was just taking, so previously I was taking kind of this, the minimum income but now I'm showing, so now there's a gap because I'm showing the, it's going from 0 to the median income. I'm not sure if I like this better or not. Let's see. I also really don't like when the code gets too long. I'm definitely one of those, like, I prefer having more, like, pages of code rather than, yeah. Oh wait, where was I? Rather than very long code. I think I just don't like scrolling back and forth. So wait, here I was thinking of doing, yeah. Yeah, I feel like it's so interesting to be able to see it like in this way of, although I was thinking about like plotting the other counties in the background as context, because I don't know what to make of this kind of what looks like a downward correlation of, because this, yeah, I don't know what to make of this. Yeah, x-axis is the win margin. I was about to go and label each of the quadrants, but like something about this is really bothering me because it looks like there's a downward trend where those counties with voting problems, the one, like what's the statement? Like the ones with um the counties with voting problems, the ones with higher income were also more likely to be like on the, like 2016 it was Democrats won that county. Like I don't know like what the statement here is. So voting problems, I don't know. And the zero min interval. Oh yeah, the white space. I just did away with the white space right now, yeah. Honestly, I also don't like that 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 gradient background. So I was thinking of, okay, I have another idea. So I'm gonna do away with maybe the stroke dash array there. Well, no, before I do anything, I don't know how to feel about this. Okay, another thing I gotta complain about SVG is like how hard it is to make multi-line text in um yeah, in SVG. You have to do like a T-span, and then actually at this point it might be better to just do that part in a div and overlay on top of it. Yeah, that might actually be the better idea instead of trying to keep doing like a SVG text. It really is like I don't know. I don't quite know. I don't quite know why like SVG texts are designed that way and like why the multi-line. Yeah. Actually, no, I'll just keep the SVG text because then what happens is yeah, it's like so hard to position things with SVG text. Fair enough, Gilliam. That does look like France's flag. That's fair. I think I'm gonna take that out. Um. Oh, the pudding is not my website. The pudding is a visual collective, or a collective that works on visual essays. Um, and it's still ongoing. Oh, I think I was saying that I'm gonna take it out because I think what I'm gonna do is instead of the dotted line, I think I'm gonna make these into arrows too, and then it's gonna be filled, like it's gonna be colored with that gradient, and I think that would be cleaner. Um, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm like very annoyed with the positioning for this. This is why SVG text still don't really know how to position them. Should it be like that? I guess that looks better. Yeah, I guess the 0.35. Yep. No, 1.35 makes the most sense. It looks like. Don't know what these magic numbers mean. Yep, I'm gonna make the arrows into gradients. 1.35 m, and then I'm gonna, let's see, make the arrows into gradients. So I'm gonna take the stroke dash away out, but I'm gonna, yeah, and then I'm gonna make it, yeah, marker end is also arrow. Then I'm gonna stroke is the gradient. So take the median. And then let's see. Okay. Very So the only problem, well, many problems actually. But, oh, wrong one. Yeah, so one problem is this the arrowheads. How do I give the stroke color Like, how do I tell it that the stroke color should be the same as, like, inherit that stroke color? Does inherit even work as a... Nope, that's not a thing. Okay, but also, let's try this. Ooh. Context. Oh man. The SVG working groups docs always is like really intense to me. Context fill. How do I use context fill? Let's see. Where does it say context fill? How do I use it? How do I use it? Ooh, interesting one with Nightcrawler. Unemployment rate. I don't have that data right now. Taking the eye away from this one. Okay, context fill, SVG marks, or marker. Is it like I can say fill is context fill? What version of SVG are we on? Oh no. We're on 1.1. We're not on 2. That's unfortunate. Okay, so I think what I'm seeing is that I have to create a mark for each color? No. Maybe yes. I'm going in too deep, I feel like. Like, this is not... Hi, Calico. I'm going in too deep. Why are arrows so hard? Why is it so unexpectedly hard in SVG? It's a radio signal coming from inside our galaxy. Alright, my mind is like, why? Why you do this? I don't know. I'm gonna make markers, arrow markers. I'm gonna make many of them, apparently. Okay, I guess I'll be making a lot of arrow markers. Yep, apparently that's what's happening. Well, I guess it's good to at least make them componentized so then I can just use it wherever. Okay, so I am making turn arrow mark, and I'm gonna be passing color and arrow size. Yep, all right. Oh, that is a very long break that it just gave me. Oh wait, no. All right. I'm gonna just um ooh, yay for Nightbot commands. Yes, thank you indeed. It did? I swapped something? Oh, I think it did indeed swap something. Huh. Ooh. Thanks, Root Nightcrawler. uh, oh man, it is almost 1 p.m. It is, I need to have lunch. I think what I'm gonna do is, I think, let me at least put the arrow in. Yeah, I'm gonna put the arrows in, and then I think I'm gonna, yeah, let me put the arrows in. I'm now, uh, ignoring the Pomodoro. Bye bye, Pomodoro. Um, he's so cute. Is it telling me to take a longer break? Oh, good on you, Pomodoro. Huh, so smart of you. Okay, it's like, take a snack break, except I need to go have lunch. So I'm gonna finish the arrow, and then what I'm gonna do is, um, yeah, I'm gonna finish the arrow, and then I'm gonna end it for today, and then I'll finish the rest, hopefully tonight. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, and also I think with Nightcrawler, I don't think there's ever going to be a deadline for the data because I'm probably going to publish this entire interactive. So, the more data coming in, the better. Um, and I'm, I mean, like at a certain point, I think if I'm gonna do a static story, like a static version for Instagram, um, that's probably a place where there's like a data cutoff. But for the interactive that I'm gonna publish, there's like no deadline because that interactive is just gonna keep, yeah, living online. So, um, yeah, um, yay, it's 100, yay. Okay, let's finish that arrow. Okay, and then arrow size. Let's publish. Oh, oops, I didn't mean to publish yet, but okay, that's okay. Arrow mark is still not defined. Arrow marker, that's why, okay. Yeah, okay. Arrow marker. Still trying to decide how I want to show the states. I was thinking about making small multiples for the states. Oh no. Why is there a nan? What? Decolor arrow size. Oh, and then That was silly of me. That's not what I need to do. Hey. Okay. I think this should work. Arrow red. Oh. No, it's up here. So for the y-axis, use arrow black. And then for start, use arrow blue. And for end, use your arrow red. Did that work? That did not work. Why you not work? Why is it so hard? So I've lost the arrows. Oh yes, I paused the break because I was gonna be like, let me bring the arrows back in, and then I'm gonna go to lunch and finish the stream. Except the arrows are not coming in, so I'm just gonna go to lunch. Why? Why aren't you working? Yeah, it seems like the camel case got lost when I took the arrow marker out into so that might mean that I do have to. All right, let's see how quickly I can do this. Let's try this. I guess I'll just let the break run. feels very silly. Oops. Yeah. All right, did all of this. I hope it works. Okay, so over here, instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is the arrows are back. Except not on all of them. Auto start reverse. If placed by marker start, the marker is oriented 180 degrees different from the orientation that would be used if auto were specified. For all other markers, auto start reverse means the same as auto. Oh, okay. I think I understand why we want to do that now. Precisely because of what we're seeing here. So this is placed at the start, and we want this to be reversed. That is extremely helpful. Thank you so much, Gillian. Where did you find that? Oh, it's in... Oh, it's the orient attribute. Thank you so much. That's exactly what we want. So that partially worked, but for some reason, the black arrows are still not showing up. Let's see. Okay, so that shows up. Yay. And then why aren't the black ones showing up? Ah, because I called it blue twice. That's silly. It's because I didn't make a black arrowhead. And then, actually, one more thing I want to do is the user space one. The marker units is user space on use. So that's the one last thing that I want to do. Marker unit. I think I want to do that at least. Ooh, my headphones just ran out of battery, so this is probably a good stopping point. You wanted the Google searches in the methodology tab. Oh. Ooh. There we go. Worked so hard, way too hard, for those arrows. Think, how many pomodoros did I spend making those arrows? Great question. Yeah. Yeah, good point. On the side? I'll think on that more. I think certainly you're right, that is confusing. Wonder, would it be less confusing if I have the arrows start like further away from where it says median income? Maybe I put a text here that's like Democrat or Republican. I run out of battery. Yeah, I'll play around with it. I'll probably also put some text along here. Yeah. Spent 2.5 hours, almost 2.5 hours on just making these arrows. That is how annotations work. Hence why I've been enjoying doing the annotations in Illustrator so much, because it does not take this long. Literally, I just draw a line and say that I want it as an arrow, and within like 10 seconds, I have an arrow. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go have lunch, and I'm gonna try and finish the rest of this today, and I'll post my progress on Twitter. But thank you so much for joining today. I hope it was a nice little distraction. Ooh, the tomato timer is about to go off, which is probably a really great place to end it. Just waiting for it to go off. There we go. So I will see you all Friday. Actually, I think on Friday, let's try the like 1 or 1:30 option. 1:30, like 1 p.m. So Friday, somewhere between 1 to 1:30 p.m. I'll tweet about it. PST, and then we'll have like afternoon co-working streams, and then that's where we'll move this stream towards. Just do afternoon co-working streams together. All right, bye bye. Thanks for joining. Have a good rest of Wednesday. Don't doom scroll too much. I'm gonna try my best not to either. And I will see you on Friday. Bye bye.